Before I forget, don't forget to check your cabin filters. I just did, and yeah, nasty. All right, I'll get right to the point. I used Mother's mag and aluminum polish to polish my headlights. Currently selling for, let's see, $5.47 currently on Amazon. One small container of this is really all you need. These are the headlights. These are on a 2007 Lexus RX 350, just crossed 200,000 miles. Toyota products are amazing, by the way. Anyway, back to the headlights. This is what I used. These are the results. You guys tell me. Now, if your headlights are cracked or pitted or damaged, obviously polish is not going to cut it. But if they're a little foggy or, maybe even just a little bit scratched, this might work. I mean, really, what do you got to lose? It's only $5 and change. So, yeah, it might save yourself, a couple $100 or so on to replace the headlight assemblies. And now with this here, I really wasn't looking for perfection. I was just looking for something clearer, looking for a clearer headlight than what I had before. And this seems to work. I used microfiber cloths. You can use an old towel, old t-shirt, just something clean and soft to put it on and wipe it off is really all you need. It's not that hard. Now, supposedly, once you do this, you should put some kind of protectant here on the plastic. I've seen some people use Carnauba wax, car wax. It's probably not a bad idea. I will probably do that. I'm just too lazy right now. But yeah, Mother's mag and aluminum polish, some microfiber cloths, or whatever you have around the house. Maybe you may already have some car wax laying around the house. Put them on the headlight to protect it. And yeah. You guys tell me. If you guys try this, let me know how it works out for you. Thanks for watching.